So I thought I'll just do another video, as I seem to do every year, of a sort of lawn care gardening setup. So this is a high top transit custom, which I've had since November 2018. So just start the Aspen fuel, which I use in the handheld blower now, and you can see up here the short Echo hedge cutter. Had that a few years now. Great bit of kit. I've just bought, well, a few months ago, this Echo strimmer, and also bought the Echo PAS system with the hedge cutter attachment. And under the pallet down there, I've got the pole pruner and extension shaft. So I've also got this Husky cordless short double-sided hedge cutter for box plants that we're cutting this time of year now in July. Yeah, great, quiet, sharp, makes the job very easy. So yeah, the Husky 525BX. That is a brilliant blower, never gone wrong. Couldn't rate them highly enough. And you see the Makita box with combi drill and impact with various bits just in case anything goes wrong. Got my door of fame here, and yeah, just a few Wolf garden tools and fiskers. Now this push-pull hoe is one of the best tools for weeding, for getting beds done quickly. They won't necessarily get all the roots out of everything, but it does do a very good job of just, as I say, clearing beds quickly. So we've got more tools for this patio edger. I actually use to scrape out the mowers in the wet, and a few various range of more attachments. You can see up there this big rake. There's another one behind it which clips on either end of this and becomes a massive jumbo rake, which is very good raking out scarifying mess and hedge cuttings and stuff. Found that with the two bits attached onto it actually rakes better than this attachment. Certainly with scarifyings, this sort of clogs up, well, that one doesn't. So just the usual sort of 3M ear defenders, sprinkler always comes in handy. Leaf grabbers save your back on clearing up mess. A few other general bits and pieces. Got a little soaker gun for watering, clearing out filters from ponds and stuff like that. And so as you see here, still 2.4 square strimmer cord, and these big whites, which are pretty good. I like to have it all very straight. So it might seem a bit I don't know, crazy to some to use steel cord in an Echo machine, but it's what I'm used to, and it fits the head, so can't complain. So the mowers, the Toro Pro Stripe 560, the 22-inch roller beast, and the Toro 21-inch four-wheel. Again, both Kawasaki powers. You cannot go wrong with Kawasaki. Certainly been a bit of an eye-opener the last year with that Kawasaki, using that machine. Yeah, not many mowers have the Honda GXV, apart from obviously Honda mowers. and 1 or 2 Mosaic Stiga. Yeah, yeah, using that has been quite great. You can tune them, they're powerful, just cracking bit of kit really. Nice easy BBC system, which I've mentioned in the review video. And so this has basically replaced the 56 for purely because this is far greater engine. Even things like this is brilliant on a little chain here. Brilliant, doesn't leak everywhere. You can get to your dipstick easily, pulls out that way, which is a little bit odd because this one pulls out that way. Well, this 3-speed gearbox is again brilliant. So that's slow, medium, fast. It's got this match cut thing under that Allen key, and you can rotate it that way, and this sort of comes up. Probably will never really use that. I might give it a go, but just I don't think I need that for general gardening. Again, big beefy wheels. How easy it is to see, but they've sort of got a nice sort of curve on the edge, which helps on sort of fragile lawns. So as you turn, if you do hit the ground, you don't rip up the turf. And added these side skirts, which I've talked about in previous videos, which just helps. And red on black, you cannot go wrong. Yeah, obviously I don't know how much better it will be in the wet than 56, but I've had a few nightmares with the 56 with various things breaking, but I'm not going to go into that just yet because I want to see how this goes. And you've just got these fuel cans in here. So the big one is the petrol, and these are the 2-stroke. And underneath here got edging shears and spades and forks, etc. And there's the Echo multi-tool attachments. So yeah, they're the big rakes I mentioned earlier, and my silky pruning saw. Be very careful when you use them, they are sharp. So just up here got a few chainsaw helmet, pop-up bag. You can see that yellow thing there is my knee pads for yeah, weeding, and also when going up the ladders, help protect your knees a little bit. High-vis jacket, a few other bits and pieces, mulch plugs for these 4-wheel mowers, and just general bits like that really. So hope that was of interest.